To extract all matches based on a partial match, we can use the array formula based on the index and aggregate functions with support from isNumber and search. So friends, today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the all partial matches from a search list and extract them into a new cell ranges using simple functions and formulas. You can notice here that I have a huge database of city name here, and I want to search the word new into this database and extract the matches into these cells. If I use any of the other words here, it will automatically find and extract the matches into this cell range. Guys, as this is an array function, we need to mention the cell ranges in different functions and formulas. So at first we need to create a named range, right? So at first select all the data range from your database. Like this, I have selected something about 1005 data here, and there I need to create a name range, and I am creating the name range as data. Now this is named as data. Where you can find your named range, you can find into the formulas tab, then go to the name manager. Here you can see the name manager will appear. You can also modify it according to your requirement. So close this at first and let's move on to the function. So guys, at first you need to create the search option here and count option here. You do not need to enter any functions into the search option here, but one function you need to use into the count row here. And how to use it? Look at here carefully. Equals to count if. We need the count if function here that counts the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. Hit the tab button to autofill the function. Here it is asking for the range, and we have named our range as data. You remember it? Look at here, as I have typed data, the whole database has been selected and one tag has been appeared here. Hit the tab button to autofill it. Now insert a comma, and here you need to use asterisk into double quotation. Open double quotation, asterisk, double quotation again, then ampersand symbol. Now here we need to provide this cell range here. After then again you need an ampersand symbol, open double quote, asterisk, again double quote, close the parenthesis and hit the enter button. Look at here, your whole database count will appear here. Now you can use any of the search option here. You can type anything you want to search here, like I'm typing as new, right? Look at here, the count is showing 18. That means 18 word actually contains the word as new, right? Now let's move on to the main function we want to show you here. This is a quite complex formula, so watch this video till the end and watch my steps carefully. At first we need the if function here. As the logical test, we need to provide the first cell here according to this, where I have used the serial number. Then insert and greater than symbol. Now here we need to provide the cell reference where the count value is actually counted. In my case that is the D8 cell, and note carefully that you need to log this reference as absolute reference by pressing the F4 key. Now that's your logical test. Insert a comma. Now as the value is true, we need an empty string. To provide an empty string, we need to open a double quotation and close the double quotation. That's all. That will create an empty string into our function. Now insert a comma again. Now here it is asking for value if false. Now here actually the fundamental you need to use. At first we need to use the index function here. As the array, we need to provide the data range. If you remember, we have named the data range as the data. Look at here, as we have typed data, the whole data range has been selected automatically. Now insert a comma. Here we need to use the aggregate function. Now if you don't know how to use the aggregate function properly, you can watch my previous video where I have described each and every option of aggregate function briefly. You will get the link of that video into my description box, and you can also find that link here into the I button. Now inside the aggregate function I need the small function, that is number 15. So write number 15 here, insert a comma. Here as the aggregate option I need number 6 as it provides the ignore error values. Now here insert a comma, open parentheses. Inside the parentheses we need the row function to insert. Inside row we need to select the data range again, close the parentheses, insert and minus symbol. Again we need the row function here. Here we need the first cell reference of your database. As per my database it is located into the B5 cell, and don't forget to lock the cell reference by pressing F4 key. Close the parentheses, +1, again close the parentheses. Now here inside the division symbol and insert the is number function here. Inside is number we need the search option here. Now it is asking for the find text, what we are actually searching for. We are searching for this value. Now here again we need to lock the reference as absolute reference by pressing the F4 key. Insert a comma. Now here we need to provide the data range as it is asking for within text option. Now close the parenthesis twice, come to the aggregate function, insert a comma. Now here it is asking for the reference K. Here again we need to provide this cell reference. That's all. Close all parentheses and hit the enter button. Look at here, first result is showing accurately. Now you can double click here to get all the functions into your database, and you will get the results automatically. Now if you search for anything else, like I am searching for UNI, look at here, every data that contains this word as UNI will appear into this result range. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video. I'll come back soon with another interesting video like this. Don't forget to share your opinions as well as your queries into the comment section. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel and keep practicing.